Hi, good morning. This is Shosha Prakash. Hope you all doing good. And I wish you a happy Christmas and advance New Year. And today I select the topic is what I eat in a day. This is the topic. We know the seriousness about the intake of food, whether it is breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Compared to the other countries, Indians only taking the most carbohydrates in their food. It is a really shocking news. Intake of carbohydrates give lot of health issues. Hope you know about that. I don't want to tell, but I just recalling you. Try to consume a healthy breakfast. The breakfast is very important. So try to avoid carbohydrate foods in your breakfast. Try to eat fresh fruits and cereals, pulses like that you have to take in the time of breakfast. But don't take the pulses or cereals in the dinner time. That is not good for your health. And another one thing is if you want to take the rice, it should be a very little quantity. You are intaking of rice, it's giving you obesity, belly fat, and also it goes to the diabetics. So try to avoid these things and try to eat more vegetables and fruits at the time of day. If you want to take nuts, it is very good for your breakfast. For the dinner, the most important thing is eat before 7 o'clock. It should be digest well. Take a little quantity of food at the dinner time. This is also most important. And try to take one piece of banana at everyday night. Please try to follow these things and you should be stay healthy without any